Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are sitting outside IKEA. I can't wait to go in and show you guys all the new stuff they have for 2022. So let's go.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading.
We're gonna start upstairs and then we'll go downstairs and see what new items they have. So at the beginning of the new year, IKEA typically comes out with a bunch of new plants. So I'm gonna look and see if I can find some new ones. This is a new larger succulent that they have for $20. The pot separately, but that I definitely think is new. There's also this hanging planter that I think is really cool. This is $14.99, but look how cute that would be with two of them together. So this year I'm working on a project where we're actually going to be converting our dining room into half pantry, half office. And I'm doing like some kitchen cabinets in there. And I wanted to use this countertop because I feel like it's really affordable and durable. Let me know what you guys think of this for our pantry countertop. IKEA just came out with a new chair, you guys. I really like this and I love that it comes in 4 different fabrics. So this one they're calling brown and beige. This one right here is kind of like a charcoal color and it's really nice. I really like it. It also comes in a green velvet and a tan color as well. We found some all new footstool options as well. There's square ones, round ones. These are a lot more substantial footstools, priced between like $100, $150, but they're gonna match those chairs that we just showed you guys. So I thought this coat rack storage was a really great idea. It's priced at $90, and if you don't want to DIY one yourself, you can just grab this, put it together, and then it screws into the wall up here. I think it looks really nice and is a great option for a mudroom or a front entryway. So I recently purchased this new cabinet they have at IKEA. This one in this color is $329. I put 2 of these in the office. They have these nice like cabinet doors to them so you can store a lot of crafts. And then they also have 2 drawers. Now I really want to get this same cabinet in a different color for my living room, but it's out of stock. Let me show it to you.
Well, this one is a little different, Liz. It doesn't look like it's the exact same.
Yeah, I guess you're right, because it actually has 2 cabinets in it. Oh. It has 2 cabinets and then it actually has a drawer here. This one is priced at $4.99. I really love it. So hopefully it'll come back in stock soon because I want to put 2 of them on either side of my fireplace. Ooh, Lenny, look.
Oh, yes.
These sconces are new this year. They are so cute, just adorable. They plug in. You can see right here how they did it. Like they put the plug going down the wall and then they have it going over into the outlet. So you can keep them white, you can add covers, or another option is you can paint them your wall color so they blend in better. I love these. If they're in stock, we're gonna grab them. You guys, is this the same plant that we just showed you earlier? I think it is. They have it styled in this cute little black wicker basket. I'm gonna try to find one of these because I want to grab it. This IKEA wood table is new and it's so nice, you guys. It's priced at my store at $6.79. This is a big table. You could probably fit 6 chairs on either side, maybe even 2 on the end. Really love it. It also comes in like a dark espresso stain color. A really great deal at IKEA are their bed frames. I think this black one is so great. It's under $300 and it would look great in any space. How cool is this canopy bed, you guys? $4.99. I absolutely love it. All right, so we made it our way downstairs to the marketplace. We're gonna add some items to our cart. I will have to say a lot of the stuff we were looking at was sold out. Let me know if you're having the same trouble at your IKEA. Like, are some of the items sold out and you're having trouble finding them? Hopefully we can find some stuff, and we're definitely gonna look for some more new stuff. throws are on major clearance, you guys. These are priced down at $12.99. I actually recovered a bench with these. I'll show you guys that DIY, but that's a great deal.
I'm gonna cut the blanket down so it's the right size, just leaving a little bit around the edges so that I can staple it to the back. I'm going to flip the fabric on back and I'm going to staple in place the long sides on either side. And then for the ends, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tuck the edges in first, and then I'll fold up the middle section and staple that down. I like to cut off any excess fabric that I don't need as well. Next, I'm just going to place this on top of the bench. If you're worried about it falling off, you could screw it on, but I haven't had any trouble. My daughter hasn't taken it off and it stayed on there just fine. For the pillow form, I like to buy those at IKEA. They are $6 for a 20 by 20 form. And my trick that I like to use is I like to buy an 18 by 18 pillow and then put in the 20 by 20 insert. It helps to just make it look so much more fuller and nicer. In the drawers, I'm using these polka dot baskets that I got from IKEA, and we just store a bunch of toys in there. And here's a look at the bench.
Over in the bedding, they have a couple new selections for duvets. This one is adorable. This would work great in like a teen or girl's room. There's also this pink one, which is like a subtle paisley print on it. This one right here, this green one, I think is gonna be really popular this year. That dark hunter green color is just really in this year, so I think we're gonna see a lot of it. Okay guys, so it looks like IKEA is kind of trying to make this orange, burnt orange color happen this year. And there's a lot of different pillows. It's not particularly my color, but if you like that color, IKEA has a lot of options. If you guys love seeing IKEA videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. I love buying pillow inserts at IKEA. This 20 by 21 is coming home with me. I'm also trying to find some that are like 10 by 20. I don't see those, so I'm gonna get several of these and take them with me. Pretty one. It's kind of velvety. It's in like a beige color. So if you're in a situation where you have to keep your laundry basket out where you can see it, this is a great decorative option because it has this cute lid. You can throw your laundry right in it and it's not gonna look bad sitting out in your room. So my favorite part of the store is organization. So let's see what we can find. So this basket would be great sitting out beside like your bed for pillows, or you could put it in the living room for toys. You could also put like throw blankets in there. One of the new storage items they have is this box with lid. This would be so cute sitting out on your like bathroom vanity. I could also see it in your bedroom, or it'd be great on your nightstand to kind of conceal things. All right, you guys, what do you think of this new orange and dark blue 70s vibe that IKEA is doing? I don't know. The orange may be a little too much for me. Let me know in the comments. I know if you're like me and you get to the end of shopping at IKEA, you're getting pretty tired, but don't pass up the pictures. I just found this one. It's $69. I think it is gorgeous. It would be so pretty on a wall in your living room. The picture itself is $40 and the frame is $29. So you can have the entire print for $69. So I'm wondering if you guys have ever tried out the IKEA candles. I actually haven't. I'm wondering if you guys like them. Let me know down in the comments. They smell really good and they're affordable. They're like $1.49. This is a great price on these larger plants. $12.99 for a potted plant is a great deal. Hey, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that red button. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. This colored glassware is gorgeous. I love this, you guys. It's almost green and black. Like, what color would you call that, Delaney?
I thought it was black or like tinted black when I saw it on the website, but now that I look at it, it definitely has green to it.
That's pretty, but see, this is definitely a true green.
Yes.
Love all this. I think we need this. This is $14.99. So we're gonna pick one of these up. You guys, this is a new vase they have. It has these like fun little handles. This to me looks like a utensil holder. Only $7.99. I think this little faux plant is new as well. I always buy a bunch of plants from IKEA and I'm not the best at watering them, so I want to show you the ones that I've purchased that have held up the best. This one can go a while without watering it. I also love the cactus. They come in a set of 3. They're still $9.99 for a set of 3. These literally can go so long without being watered. And then I think this is called, I think people have called this a snake plant, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is great as well. And it doesn't brown as much, so I feel like it holds up really well. Look at these baby succulents. I think they're so adorable. I have really good luck with growing real succulents, so they're pretty easy to keep alive. All right, you guys, I always stop at the as-is section. Let's go see if we can find anything on clearance. These showroom model end tables are only $13.99. This table is 73% off at $35. I don't see anything majorly wrong with it. It's a little bit wobbly, but you could always fix that. This desk is 31% off. You could paint it and have a whole new desk. It just has a few little dings on the side. So overall, my store was out of a bunch of stuff. We were trying to find a bunch of stuff that we saw online that our store didn't carry. I think in general, IKEA is just really low on stock right now. It may be different at your store, but if you go to your store, I just wanted to make you aware of that. You can also look online at their website and check your specific store to see if they have items in stock. I hope you guys had fun shopping with me today at IKEA. I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.